Boom. Boom, what's word to Mr. Boy Terror Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. And I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. So tonight, people, we have a song from Chronicler. The song is called Horror Night Forever. Official music video. If this is your first time over here, we go live on Twitch right now. We do reactions, everything. We go live on Twitch every single night. Tonight, I'm just reacting to music on Twitch. It's straight to YouTube. So if you find the video, go follow me on Twitch at Life of Tyrick. It's right here. Let's get straight to this reaction right now. That's what Chronicler are talking about in this one. It came out 12 hours ago. Let's talk it. Like the video, comment, subscribe, share. Let's get straight to the reaction. Live scene. So, Chronicler. Run tune. Run tune.
What you call, brother? What you call, fam? It's all spread. Sharp done.
AI video this? AI video did that come out with a ready to blood clan? No, hold on. Go on, run through.
What you call, brother? What you call, fam?
Sharp down record, look up yourself.
One down. Sharp down. Me no. Just nobody more pass figure. Round your said down sweet and no zero. Your enemy are who close with you. Hey Shabba.
Hold on. You say your enemy are who close with you. Man say me not trust nobody that say you. Hold on, go and talk it out.
Mankind vicious and nobody no real. That a one time say your man everyone smile with you. But why you feel living in a grave or prison? Yeah, I will stay up all night forever. Can't change.
Now like AI get wicked nowadays. AI get too wicked nowadays. You get every single detail. I get the dog. The people with my dog face to blood. Go on still. Talk it all our boss.
Not change. No, the dark pain. I will stay up all night forever. Always. I just sit back here.
I'm upside down.
Don't be gun for me, dog, me not trust breeze. Temper shot like it's.
Hold on, why am I saying that trust? I'm saying that trust.
Gun for me, dog, me not trust breeze. Temper shot like it's a cut sleeve. Cool the pain with any sea and weed. And I rock two side like ship in a rough sea. Fit them plans still incomplete. Your
man, the lyrics are the best. And I rock two side like ship and sea. I want to rock back.
Like ship in a rough sea. Fit them plans still incomplete. You got big guns in a something top G. Shoot out anyway, I never with PUBG. Man, I'm a murderer.
Man say yo, anywhere time to shoot up people. And PUBG alone. Anywhere. Anytime, anywhere that go on.
At night we don't sleep. Couple rifle them off a lead out meet. 9-0 rubber me reload G. New York coulda freeze, we no have cold feet. You anyway we boost this gun pan street. Car with the yacht plate, them a run from base. I inform them we junk and spade. Oh see. I will stay up all night forever. Can't change. Not change.
Yeah, it's very dangerous. That's all I can say about that video. Dog in the bed asleep and I have a broken mouse. I'll get all hours.
No, the dark pain. Power night forever. Always. I just a bad game. Me know. Care won't love me or give up. Me rage and go build up. Sell out.
So even the boys then pull up with the outfit, shoot them up. Yes. I
just a ball game. Me know. Care won't love me or give up. Me rage and go build up. Sell out feel like somebody kill you. My scars them can't heal for now. Still sad with the cars on the big up. Future look like I do pass me a live up. My heart feel more pain from me richer. When me call me like she know something going. Me have to make joke and laugh. Me deep and blood clot talk. So me a come from behind bar. Nobody no perfect, everybody have flaws. But me say fuck people, me die.
Oh, so that I should get all the money, you know. Come here, try to get jump on storytelling, you know. Get all the dog money. It's a man's woman snitch again, man, $1. Everything, no more. But go on.
in either. Two face, yeah, them have mask. Nobody no know what them are. I will stay paranoid forever. Can't change. Nah.
Can't stop that. I shan't stop you have to blood clot.
Change. No, me have been paranoid forever. Can't change. Always.
I just see pirate a while ago. I picked the pirate a sip liquor a while ago. That would just say a while ago. That.
Yeah, say it, man. Still the same, man.
And then they play and make music. You feel like can't change.
Shut down, man. Salt Spring.
All night forever. Can't change. Right now for that fucking follow. What's the word, my lord? Big up yourself. Shout out to you, bro. What's up? Where you from? Can't change. Is he feeding the dogs peanuts? Oh, no, this AI video is kind of crazy. Shout out to LA, bro. I'm reacting to anything the chat recommend right now. Yep. Song right away. Alright. Hold on, pause that. Okay, back to the main scene. So guys, remember I told y'all I'm reacting to music live on Twitch. So I'm gonna post this video on YouTube for y'all right now. So if y'all watch this video on YouTube, come over Twitch, come recommend some song. I'm gonna post this one real quick. Alright, bro.